This Stillen air scoop definitely gets my seal of approval on this. The fitment was spot on, zero issues with that. I do have a noticeable improvement in pedal feel and response, which was not really expected, but you know what, it makes sense, because when you compare the two pieces together, the factory unit, it really has a lot of work to go through to get the air into the duct, into the air filter. And the new Stillen piece, there's air right there, and it fits perfect right behind the air shutters. There was no trimming needed. There was no modification to this at all. It was a very nice piece right out of the box. So what I'm noticing is, the first time I drove it, the temperatures were a little cooler and the truck just felt more peppy. And I'm like, all right, is it the Stillen piece or is it more of the temperature? So then later on, we're 88 degrees right now, driving around, and while it's a lot warmer than the 60 degrees, I still have a very similar, if not the exact same pep to it, and I like it because the throttle response is improved. It's not like a humongous difference. We didn't add 50 horsepower with this thing. Who knows if we added anything, but the reaction to the throttle changes is similar to an S&B intake. It's not as good as the S&B intake, because I was real happy with how that responded. This isn't there, but this definitely gives you an improvement on it. I mean, I'm on the freeway right now and I just roll in a little bit and you can feel it right away. This is a fantastic modification, I think. It complements the PPE intercooler pipes, the resonator delete. Oh, I also have the larger PPE transcooler installed, and it fit right above that. It's like these two were meant for each other, because it's just above, just nicely, to where that there's no blockage of that cooler. There's nothing. This Stillen piece went in, no issues. I love it. They didn't send me the piece. I paid for the piece. Like, none of this, I know it probably sounds like that sales pitch, but this is a pretty cool piece. So if this kind of stuff makes you happy like it does me, then definitely I'll give it a thumbs up. If you're looking for a 50 horsepower improvement over a little air scoop that does nothing else but provide easier access for your air into the airbox, this is the one for you. So let's get on to another product next time. See ya.